Nah, ya, baik kan ngaji tata. Gini nih, nah aku di Sumatera malu kok. Jesus. Coba kifo na kimi apa? Hai, Chineke nwe bukwa anu mo Jesus. So kunya this guy je ni apa? Hai. God. Anyway, don't worry, I'm be ha. Kan je bodo police kan munya agi go be ha.
Hello. DPO. Yes. I don't know kita anom n'ụzọ. I will go there.
Yem na nwa ya je tata. Anyway, no yin actually. Because onye nwe iwe ga adi n'ọkụ. Nna a na-apụta kịta maka nwa ebe na alọ chi je kịta nwe nwa mụ na nwa appointment na ide ina tiye. Na pụtazi phone m ka mkpọzi onye nwa na jizi na nke afozi phone ya. Mana before that, nwa ebe nwa wanu. Nne obodo akpọ nwa sa said the boy no ya ndo ma akpa anya ka ndị anyị go ma mere ka mpụta. Pụtazi atụ m we shake ro the phone e shake. M we shake ro the akpa e shake. Mputa ga pesa akpa nkịta ka mkpọzi the woman afozi ma akpa. Afozi m the phone.
Afozi phone gị.
Afozi m ya.
Man, it's ma bed the boy.
I'm bed the boy. I'm bed ham.
Let's go there.
Yafao. You can't so much as come. By the way, what's that on I have this time? Opota no way, radical. Una rap.
Never have. I'm gonna get the banker. Yeah, but ma the guy now all their house.
Memo.
And yes, I have forgotten me. Thank God.
God have mercy upon us.
They are our checkpoint now. So now your son is through phone so I want to see your son to confirm.
Na gini me.
Acho me for your son, can confirm.
On either ni yo na eku.
Ka were nche ewe ni iwe agbari ota na anya. Mu abu anya onicha. Amo mu nwam. Buo na mo nso mari ya mu. Keka mo mi esu phone ewu a. Hey, Jesus.
Point of correction. Now our office, our station.
If
you want to address to a human being, because
you are accusing my son. If you don't know the right, she's accusing my son. Answer me, Afuma. Meaning what?
Almost can lead you to station.
I want to why are you accusing my son? Allah can go.
With all due respect, ma, please, can you call your son?
With no problem. Ma, we are.
Call your son. Let's confirm.
Allah can come. You can be. Never. The room has on as soon as you food. Will
you keep quiet? Oyenka, this guy. Oyenka come from Wa.
Now we phone.
Nah, you drop a phone. I get to the phone now.
Come on, no, the phone. Wanya. What is your room? What do you
have? I'm a Mumazum. Bomba is Euphonia.
A Zulum phone yet.
Azubika, a man.
I'm on my phone now. I'm gonna fetch you. We go our way.
No problem.
And then my way back at say us again. Sorry.
No, for you. Can you been at my house to insult me? I hate nonsense. I don't ask you.
I have to some can you after some can
Don't worry.
Call the number. Call number. Office
081 564 888 92.
God have mercy upon us.
Zulubia ine.
Okay.
Officer.
Should I give you go on?
I'm getting out of
that. That check go there.
My friend,
Jesus!
Jesus. Don't go and keep quiet. Come boy. Aso bi ike. Kemi mu do sisibo shi.
Madam.
You know me go wan you no more.
Be careful. Before you stay low mass
officer.
And then they are capital mass. So you are going with us to the station.
But I get the phone.
Now.
Gente, ewe ni igwe. Onye zu phone a. Maka na mo maazi a, fa de zu oshi. Obulu za nke kpazu a, ka bia bazu bezu. So we ko na ha motari ya mota. So nna ewe ni igwe. If you nonsense. If you afa zuru ye. Duru ha mari yi eji ha meme. No problem because you not one wine. And I have wine.
Talk about you now.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, my mother.
Let's go to the
Hey, mother, just look at.
They say charity begins at home. I agree. I agree. I have seen children that are very cautious, very disciplined, very respectful. You give them something, they receive it with their right hand and they greet you. They say thank you.